can see the petrol is still the brim. There is a puncture here. Oh damn. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Yaqeen, and today I am going to test mileage of my Himalayan 450. So I have already ridden 2400 kilometers, and so far the mileage that it shows is 31. So 2400 across city and highway, 31 is really impressive. But in this particular test I am going to do only city ride. Let's see what mileage do I get. So if you can see, the petrol is still the brim. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reset the trip and do brim to brim again. Card. हाँ tank is full. Let's get the air pressure checked as well. फिर कोई ऐसा ना बोले यार कि एयर प्रेशर सही नहीं था. नाइट्रोजन है ना 32. So if you're curious to know, front and back it is 32 psi. Typically bikes have front different and rear different, but this one has weirdly same. एयर प्रेशर भी मैंने चेक करवाया ही था 2 दिन पहले, बट स्टिल फॉर द सेक ऑफ द व्लॉग. My air is leaking somewhere. ಅಣ್ಣ 12 ಇತ್ತ 25 ಇತ್ತ? ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಂಚರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ತೋರಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ. ಓ ಬೋಣಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. I did not know this. There is a puncture here. ಏನಣ್ಣ? ಹಾ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಹಾ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಇದು 20 ಇತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಪಂಚರೇನಾ? ಇದು 3 ದಿನ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದೆ. ನೋಡ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Yeah, I had planned for a mileage test, but I'm currently going to do a puncture repair currently. I felt that the bike was wobbling. I had a lot of speculations, but I was like, it's games in my mind. But puncture is real. Not a good start. Yeah, I'm sure there is puncture, yeah, because this is the second time I am. Yeah, I think it's penetrated inside. ಏನಣ್ಣ? ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ ಸೂಪರ್. ಆದರೆ ಏರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರು 12 ಇತ್ತು. ಯಪ್ಪ. ಹೌದಾ? Damn, that was big यार. कहाँ गया? This was really big. Boss man is here. हाँ हाँ
कितना बड़ा, कितना घुसा था? पूरा घुस गया था.
पूरा घुसा था. ये घिसा हुआ था. But I think there was a bent one, not this. Thankfully there was no puncture on the tire, or at least on the tube. But still the mystery is how did The PSI dropped from 32 to 12 in just 4 days. Probably have to figure that out. Well, I'll just get this assembled and I'll see you on the motor vlog. Thank you so much. Finally. Should I resume my mileage test? I think I can. Yeah, so I got fueled up. I will reset the meter at least. Give me a minute. Appearances, trip preference, reset trip 2. Confirm. Not sure if you're able to see. I have reset my trip. Now I will go back. Go to trip 2. It says 00. Let's see after roughly 100 kilometers. So I'm planning to do a city only ride because I go to office every day. That is roughly 15 kilometers one way. So I do 30 kilometers in a day. 4 days, that would be roughly 120 kilometers. So we'll check the mileage. That roughly 2.5k run. 30.9 is really good mileage for a 450cc engine. I'm impressed. Royal Enfield, I'm impressed. The bike is dirty, but kya hi kar sakta. For this test, I am not going to ride under some specific RPM or speed. I'm going to ride like I do. There is some noise the bike is making, and the brake play is also not smooth. Yeah. Fuck. No dude, something is wrong with my brake. I can't ride like this. The brake just didn't work. Oh fuck. This is, yeah. I will have to keep safe distance from other vehicles. डिस्टेंस रखना पड़ेगा, अच्छा खासा डिस्टेंस.
अरे तुम तो बड़े हैवी ड्राइवर हो भाई.
अक्का मेरा रिव्यूज मार को लिया का बस. मेरा मन किया मैं लेफ्ट में जगह है चली जाऊं, तो मैं चले गई. बाकी दुनिया गई भाड़ में. ऑफिस के लिए बहुत लेट हूँ मैं, बट आई थिंक इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग इन द आफ्टरनून टू रॉयल एनफील्ड, आई विल probably finish everything and then head to office. I don't know why I'm talking in Hindi a lot. And that's okay. This is a multilingual channel. Sometimes it's Hindi, sometimes it's Kannada, sometimes it's English. All times it's book chori. Smooth. Smooth. I'm trying to cheer myself up because that brake sound is irritating. It feels like I'm riding some Chetak or Tata Ace. हाय दिल के दर्द दिल्ली जाने. No, that's not me. Cool, I have reached Enfield and there is a lot of Himalayans here. Is there some free service for Himalayan or what? So, कुछ हो ना हो एक राउंड एनफील्ड सर्विस सेंटर का मारना ही पड़ता है. So most likely the problem is with the brake pads. Probably the guy did not align it properly. They will check and I'll come by in the evening. Hope for the best. Hope it gets sorted यार. बस evening भरला. This is day 2. Yesterday I had given this bike and I'm collecting today. So nothing significantly has changed. They said they have adjusted the brake pad and disc. Hopefully it does not make sound like it used to, but if it does, I will have to change the disc altogether. Let's just see. Thankfully there's a lot of improvement. A lot of improvement. Good work. I think I can run with this. Woohoo! Issue is fixed. Saving 3,500 rupees. Yeah, it is fun. Let's do this. Yeah. Sukoon. Genuine sukoon. Today is Friday. I was worried that I will not be able to ride for 3-4 days. Oh no, I can hear sound again.
A few moments later.
Nutella? Oh damn.
I knew I.
One?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah.
There is. Yeah, man. You really have to get it checked. Yeah. No. Yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah.
There is. Yeah, man. You really have to get it checked. Yeah. No.
See bro, nice meeting you. Bye. The sound is annoying, but I'm hoping it should reduce with time. It is 444. I will see this till 2500. Yeah, my brake pads also will get worn out, but okay. I was out on a mileage test, then it became a puncture experience, to now disc brake problems. Wow, what an experience. Adventure continues. Let's head back to work. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. If you liked for any goddamn reason, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.